Hey guys, so as you know, I've been drawing a lot of hummingbirds recently, and I just started dabbling in 3D in this application called Nomad Sculpt, and I must say I absolutely love it. It's been really great to see something go from a sketch, from a drawing, and then to figure out how to make it in 3D, and I must say I'm hooked. I'm really glad that this is available on the iPad. I think it costs about $15, $16, and I get completely addicted when I start trying to model something in 3D. One of the first things I had to do was figure out how to make the eyes that I always make, how to really make them those really nice 3D animated style eyes. So, of course, you can model. You can make things translucent, like the wings are sort of translucent, which I really love. And there's a lot of features that are constantly being added. The people who made the application seem to be they're very hands-on. They seem to answer people's questions. They fix what may need to be fixed. They update often. All in all, I'm just really impressed with the application. I'll do my turntable so you can see. So this is probably the third or fourth piece of art that I created in 3D, and a lot of these are just kind of getting used to the application and getting used to trying to figure out how to make things look the way I want them to look. So if you're thinking about 3D for the iPad, I have to recommend Nomad Paint. It's been a really great application to learn. And of course, like I'm gonna probably make a few beginner tutorials because I'm very much a beginner. I think I've had the app for maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks maybe. But the things I've learned I know will help people, especially coming from someone who is an absolute beginner. Now, I did try to dabble in 3D 20 years ago when I was going into college. I thought I wanted to do 3D, but that was completely different. It was like Maya, it was on computers. I have no recollection of any of that. But now that it's on the iPad, I'm definitely going to be exploring this more, and I'm going to continue to make 3D models. So I think in the next video, I'm just going to show some of the other models that I made. For this one, I just wanted to show off my little hummingbird because I love him. And yeah, we'll end on a nice turntable of this rascal. All right. I don't know how to make it stick to the center. I have to work on that. There's got to be a way. That's not bad. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm also just gonna upload a lot of my time lapses from Procreate because I've just been really busy, so it's hard for me to make actual full tutorials. But I do want to just keep giving you guys some cool things to look at and some cool art to be inspired by and things like that. So keep drawing. I'll catch you all in the next one.